ko akalain yung taong pinapa-announce ko lang sa buong campus nung 13 years old ako ay pinakasalan ko ngayon. Jeramil, the first time I saw you, more than a decade ago, I knew it was love at first sight. It felt like I knew you already. It felt like I've met you multiple times.
Coming here clearly demonstrates that God is important for you.
Nagkasal-kasalan pa tayo with our friends sa school. Look where we are now.
Karen, isuot mo ang singsing na ito, tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa iyo. Sa ngalan ng Diyos Ama, Diyos Anak, Diyos Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Sa lahat ng kaguluhan at kalabuan ng mundo, nakahanap ng paraan ang tadhana na makilala kita ulit sa buhay na ito. Hi babe! Remember when we were together 14 years ago? Ito yung gift na dapat kong ibigay sa'yo pero naiwan ko sa bus. I added a little surprise this time. Ito pala yung naiwan niyo sa bus!
Did we keep it all this time?
They say coffee brings two people closer. Maybe that's why I got so close to you. Sa dinami-dami ng cafes na napuntahan natin. At sa lahat ng coffee na nainom natin. Yung gawa mo ang pinakamasarap at pinakapaborito ko. Hindi ako morning person but I look forward to spending every morning with you. Mornings that are happy and alive. Mundane mornings and mornings that we don't even talk. That's why I got you a coffee maker so I can start your day with a good cup of coffee. I'll start my day watching you make that cup, admiring you and loving you. I can't think of other way to start my day. Here's to the lifetime of mornings. I love you so much, baby. See you. Grabe, sobrang busy ko na siya. Coffee machine pala ito eh. Hindi ka sabi. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect. Wow. Thank you, babe. Sobra, grabe. Hindi ko in-expect ko. Salamat tao. Hello po.
Alam mo nung last minute ng nanay ko, yung lola niya, hindi ko alam, niyakap siya, hinalikan. Alam mo, sabi ng lola, Ling, you are the darling of our family. Kaya Ling-Ling ang pangalan mo.
You were the one I keep on looking for. And as time goes on, we took our own paths. Through college and work. Ngayon, pinagtagpo tayo ni Lord. Gumawa siya ng paraan para makita tayo ulit. Sobrang saya ko when we started talking again. Nandun na naman yung feeling na sobrang saya. At yung forever crush ko na buong araw ikaw na lang, iniisip ko. Nakita ko siya sa school, sabi ko grabe sobrang ganda nito. The moment I saw you, alam ko ikaw na agad yung forever crush ko.
We all need someone to stay. We all need someone to stay. Here to find love.
Mami, thank you dahil napala niyo ako ng pogi.
Fix me up. Will you show me how?
Money cannot make a house into a home. Only love. only love. If you have money, bonus na lang yon. At sana maraming bonus.
You've drunk it down and you spat it out.
See you at the altar, baby. My pogi baby. Love you. Let's go, Elysium.
We all need someone to stay. We all need someone to stay. Here for another cry out. Will you fix me up? Will you show me hope? The end of the day, we're helpless. Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? Can you keep me close? Can you love me most?
Grabe ka, isang hulog ng langit ka na. Kaya makinginom kayo, di ba?
Clinging to the ruin of your broken home. Will you fix me up? Will you show me hope? The end of the day and we're helpless. Can you keep me close? Can you love me?
We traveled a lot on each destination. Unti-unti ko rin na-discovered yung reasons kung bakit ikaw yung babaeng gusto kong makasama habang buhay. And now, here ngayon, sinabi ko, I do. Pero ibig sabihin nun, I will.
To us, you will always be our little Ling Ling, and we are very proud of you, of what you have become.
Please be patient to each other. Please be super understanding.
Challenges will always come.
Mag-look back din kayo every now and then.
I wish you all the best.
Always pray. Don't forget the date night.
Nandito lang si ate, just in case na kailangan niyo ako.
Congratulations. I can't wait for the two of you to prosper in life. Best wishes. I love you both.
And wishing you the best today and always.
13 years ago, I've married you in a makeshift chapel in our school fair. Today, I'm making my vows to be your wife in front of all these people, in front of God. I love you so much, baby kong pogi.